Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 000, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. The meaning of angel number 000, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 000 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 000 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 000 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. Let's now start with the first topic. What's the meaning of angel number 000? Angel number 000 is a powerful symbol representing infinity, unity, and the cyclical nature of life. It signifies the presence of divine energy and the potential for new beginnings. Seeing 000 often indicates that you are in alignment with the universe and that spiritual guidance is readily available to you. This number encourages you to embrace the infinite possibilities before you and to trust in the journey ahead. It serves as a reminder that endings are merely transitions into new phases, and with every conclusion comes the opportunity for a fresh start. What is the angel number 000 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 000 emphasizes the concept of oneness with the universe and the divine. It highlights the interconnectedness of all things and the continuous flow of energy. This number urges you to deepen your spiritual practices, such as meditation or prayer, to strengthen your connection with the higher realms. It also signifies that you are being supported by spiritual guides and that you are on the right path towards spiritual enlightenment. Embracing the energy of 000 can lead to profound personal growth and a deeper understanding of your life's purpose. What does the angel number 000 mean for love? In matters of love, angel number 000 symbolizes new beginnings and the potential for deep, meaningful connections. If you're single, it may indicate that a new romantic relationship is on the horizon. For those in relationships, it suggests a renewal or strengthening of bonds. This number encourages you to open your heart, release past hurts, and embrace the love that surrounds you. It's a reminder that love is infinite and ever-present, and by aligning yourself with this energy, you can experience profound emotional fulfillment. What does angel number 000 mean for twin flames? Angel number 000 holds significant meaning for twin flame relationship. It often indicates that you are nearing a reunion or entering a new phase with your twin flame. This number suggests that both individuals are undergoing spiritual growth and are being prepared for a deeper connection. It also serves as a reminder to trust the journey, even if challenges arise. The presence of 000 signifies that the universe is orchestrating events to bring twin flames together in divine timing, emphasizing the importance of patience and faith in the process. What does angel number 000 mean for manifestation? When it comes to manifestation, angel number 000 is a powerful sign that you are in a prime position to bring your desires into reality. It signifies that the universe is listening and that your thoughts and intentions are aligning with your goals. This number encourages you to maintain a positive mindset, focus on your aspirations, and trust in the process. It's a reminder that you have the support of the divine and that by staying aligned with your highest self, you can manifest abundance and success in various aspects of your life. How does angel number 000 affect finances? Financially, angel number 000 indicates the potential for new opportunities and the importance of aligning your financial goals with your spiritual values. It suggests that a fresh start is possible, whether that means a new job, investment, or approach to managing money. This number encourages you to release any limiting beliefs about wealth and to trust that the universe will provide for your need. By maintaining a positive attitude and staying open to possibilities, you can attract financial abundance and stability into your life. What does angel number 000 mean for former relationships? Regarding past relationships, angel number 000 signifies closure and the readiness to move forward. It encourages you to release lingering attachments, forgive past grievances, and embrace the lessons learned. This number serves as a reminder that holding on to past relationships can hinder personal growth, and that by letting go, you create space for new, healthier connections. It's a call to focus on self-healing and to trust that the end of one relationship paves the way for more fulfilling experiences in the future. How does angel number 000 guide your work life? In the professional realm, angel number 000 suggests that you are on the brink of a significant career shift or opportunity. It may indicate the start of a new job, project, or even a complete career change. This number encourages you to embrace change, take risks, and pursue paths that align with your passions and purpose. It's a reminder that the universe supports your endeavors and that by trusting your instincts and staying open to new possibilities, you can achieve professional fulfillment and success. What are the strengths of angel number 000? The strengths associated with angel number 000 include its representation of infinite potential, spiritual awakening, and the encouragement of new beginnings. It serves as a powerful reminder of your connection to the divine and the endless possibilities available to you. This number fosters a sense of unity, wholeness, and the courage to embrace change. It empowers individuals to trust in their journey, remain open to guidance, and recognize the cyclical nature of life as an opportunity for continuous growth and transformation. What are the weaknesses of angel number 000? While angel number 000 is largely positive, potential weaknesses include the risk of becoming overwhelmed by the vast possibilities it presents. The emphasis on new beginnings may lead to impatience or a tendency to abandon current endeavors prematurely. Additionally, without grounding, one might misinterpret the number's message, leading to confusion or indecision. It's essential to balance the energy of 000 with practical steps and discernment, ensuring that actions taken are aligned with both spiritual guidance and real-world considerations. The concept of angel number 000 is a profound symbol in the realm of numerology and spirituality. Often seen as a sign from the divine or celestial beings, this number represents the infinite, the eternal, and the cyclical nature of the universe. When individuals encounter this sequence, either repeatedly or during moments of reflection, it is believed to be a form of divine communication encouraging spiritual awareness and alignment with one's higher purpose. At its core, 000 symbolizes unity with the universe and the source. It serves as a reminder that everything is interconnected and that endings often serve as gateways to new beginnings. The repetition of the number 0 amplifies this spiritual message, acting as a clear signal that one is surrounded by divine support and guidance. This angel number urges individuals to embrace transformation, shed old patterns, and open their hearts to limitless potential. In relationships, 000 may herald a fresh start, either through the renewal of existing bonds or the welcoming of new love. For twin flames, it suggests a period of spiritual alignment, reconnection, or deeper growth within the union. Financially and professionally, 000 can indicate new ventures or opportunities on the horizon, urging trust in the process and faith in one's capabilities. Emotionally, it invites healing from past experiences and the release of lingering attachment. Spiritually, 000 calls for deeper introspection and connection with divine energies. It encourages meditation, prayer, and mindfulness as ways to align more closely with one's soul mission. The number's strengths lie in its ability to instill hope, encourage transformation, and affirm the endless support of the universe. However, its vast openness can also create challenges, such as indecision, a lack of direction, or a feeling of being overwhelmed by possibilities. Ultimately, angel number 000 is a powerful sign of spiritual awakening and potential. It reminds us that we are